Sony announced a number of 4K and 8K TVs during CES 2021. With the Sony Bravia XR Master Series A90J being awarded as one of the best announcements at the all-digital show. Now it seems we know a price and prospective pre-order dates too, thanks to an accidental posting by US retailer B&H Photo Video. Listings for the 55, 65, and 83-inch versions of the A90J appeared on the site before being rapidly taken down again. However, renowned TV and display expert Vincent Tan managed to take grabs during their brief visibility. It reveals that the 55-inch A90J 4K OLED TV will be priced at $2,999. The 65-inch at $3,999. And the Mammoth 83-inch at $7,999. In addition, the pre-order date listed for the 55 and 65-inch models is February 15, 2021. While the 83-inch won't be available for pre-order until May 17. It's also worth considering that the listings could have just been placeholders, with the prices far from final. However, they seem around the right area to us, especially for Sony's latest flagship 4K OLED TV. We'll let you know when we hear more.